Hello students, I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Mhatre, Assistant Professor in Botany at Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lanza, District, Ratnagiri. I am your teacher for TYBSc Botany Paper 3 known as Forms and Function. In this presentation, I am going to discuss with you the details of Semester 5 Botany Paper 3 syllabus along with examination paper pattern and learning outcomes of Botany Paper 3. So let's start with today's presentation. First of all, we will discuss examination pattern. For your TYBSc, there will be semester 5 and semester 6. For semester 5, there are 4 papers: Botany 1, Botany 2, Botany 3, Botany 4, which are considered as major paper, and one applied component is there known as horticulture and gardening. Each major paper will be of 100 marks for theory and 50 marks for practical. Same for semester 5 and semester 6. So my botany paper 3 will be having 100 marks theory for semester 5 and 50 marks practical for semester 5. Moving further with botany paper 3 theory syllabus. There are 4 units in each paper, and for botany 3 there will be unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4. Before proceeding further with details about syllabus, I would like to tell you about course outcome or learning outcomes. So let's start with learning outcomes of botany paper 3 known as forms and function. For unit 1, learning outcome will be to acquire knowledge about two important organelles and molecular mechanisms of translation. Unit 1 is basically related with cell biology or molecular biology. Unit 2 is related with plant physiology, and the course outcome or learning outcome of Unit 2 is to understand water relations of plants, inorganic and organic solute transport, and apply the knowledge to manage mineral nutrition and survival in challenging abiotic stresses. Unit 3 course outcomes would be to understand succession in plant communities and study remediation technologies in order to apply knowledge acquired for cleanup and polluted site. Unit 3 is related with environmental sciences or environmental botany. And last, Unit 4, which is known as plant tissue culture. The learning outcomes for the Unit 4 would be to get exposure to principles and techniques of plant tissue culture and apply these studies for improving agriculture and horticulture to become an entrepreneur. So these are the outcomes for Unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will see detailed syllabus in our next slide. So for paper 3, unit 1 is known as cytology and molecular biology. And in that unit, following topics have been covered. First is structure and functions of nucleus. Second is structure and functions of vacuole. Third is structure and functions of giant chromosomes. Fourth, the genetic code and its characteristics. And last one is translation in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. This total unit 1 cytology and molecular biology is totally dependent on cell structure of plant. Unit 2 will be plant physiology, 1. And in this unit, we will cover following topics: water relations, in that topic, potential or water potential, osmosis, imbibition, and transpiration. Translocation of solutes, solute transport, pressure flow model, phloem loading and unloading, anatomy or internal structure of sieve tube and mechanism of sieve tube translocation. Last topic is mineral nutrition. In that, role of macro and micronutrients, their functions and deficiency syndrome. So this entire unit is related with internal processes of plants, and hence it is known as plant physiology 1. Unit 3 is environmental botany. The name of this unit suggests that the topic is related with environmental botany. And in this unit, we will cover bioremediation. In that bioremediation, principles and factors responsible for bioremediation, microbial population in bioremediation, phytoremediation of metals and organic pollutants, plant succession in details with focus on hydrosphere and xerosphere, formation of barren space, succession on land, water, ESIS, monoclimax and polyclimax theories. So this entire unit is very interesting because it is related with environmental botany. And last unit is known as unit 4, plant tissue culture. First topic is aspects of micropropagation with reference to floriculture. Plant cell suspension cultures for production of secondary metabolites. Somatic embryogenesis and artificial seeds. Protoplast fusion and somatic hybridization. Applications of somatic hybridization in agriculture. So this is exclusive unit with respect to modern technique in plant research known as plant tissue culture. Overall 4 units are there in botany paper 3 for semester 5. Semester 6 syllabus will be discussed in details after completion of your semester 5. Along with these 4 units, you have to complete practicals based on all 4 units which are included in your syllabus. So practicals on unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4 will be there, and I will be teaching you theory as well as practical for TYBSc Botany paper 3 known as forms and function. In addition with the theory and practicals, you will be having educational trip, or it is known as educational excursion. I will share the details of the same in my first lecture. Thanks a lot.